Jump on a party like Chris Farley.
Yo, what's up guys, it's me, Gaming Guest, and today we're going to play Deadbolt. Let's go. Okay, this is too loud. Okay, let's just go target, yeah. I don't care, I just wanna play the mission. Okay, let's just go. I'm gonna do the first mission. So let's go. We can enter vents here and we can go in the toilet. And then come back here. Come back here. Come back here. Come on. Bitch. Bitch. There we go. And then we just go in the vents. We just do this. And then boom. Bitch. Okay. We have 2 pistols. I think I'm gonna go here. I don't know. Yeah, here. Boom, bitch. Bitch, bitch. Oh, Jesus, Jesus. Oh, fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck you, fuck you. Let's just go with this pistol. Oh, fuck. Let's try this again. Okay, no, I don't wanna go. Let's just go in here. Kill this motherfucker over here. Get in the vent. Fuck you, fuck you. There we go. Get up here. Kill this motherfucker. Come here. Come here, you fucking asshole. Okay, let's go in this one. What the fuck? I thought that was a guy there. Hop, bitch. Get wrecked. Okay. Oh shit, there's a lot of dudes up there. Fuck, 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 fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Oh, fuck. I didn't have ammo. Okay, guys, just a second. Okay, guys, let's continue. Get in here. Kill this motherfucker. Get this pistol. Hide. Get this motherfucker. Get these motherfuckers. And get this motherfucker. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Don't come in here. Okay, now we can kill these 2 motherfuckers. Go. Die, die, motherfucker. There we go. Let's just go now. I don't know. There's a guy up there, and he's the only one guy. So yeah, I think he's the only one guy. Come here! Knock, knock. Knock, 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 knock. Bitch. Return to your car, okay. Well, that was easy. So yeah. There we go, now we go here. Let's go in the second mission. I think we have to get the drugs, so yeah. This doesn't work. Okay, we can kill these motherfuckers, or we can get up there. Sorry. We can get up there and there's a knife. Oh shit, this guy. Well, fuck. Let's go here. Let's kill these motherfuckers. What the fuck is with my aim? Jesus Christ. And I have no ammo. Well, fucking great. Just great. Now I don't know what the fuck do I do. Fuck. There we go. Nice and easy. If I can just get up there and then have those knives, that would be awesome. Oh, I know now. I think I know this. Okay. Kill this motherfucker and then this motherfucker. Then this motherfucker comes here and then you BOOM! Then you get in this room. You just do that. Oh, here we fuck. I think it's better in here, so we just kill this motherfucker. Okay, there's a guy right here, bitch. Here we go. Then we hop, bitch. Get direct. Then get here. Kill this more. Oh shit. Now, this is gonna be the hardest part of this shit, okay? I just go. Fuck! Find the drugs. Well, the drugs are right there. And even when I kill this guy, there's not so much in his weapon, bullets. Only 2 fucking bullets. What the fuck? Oh Jesus, they're gonna come in here, bitch. Fuck. Let's go here. Let's go back and kill this motherfucker. You gotta be very quick. Okay, let's just get in here. Can I just find the drugs? I don't have to clear the area. Get in here, bitch. Come on, get down. Get down. Bitches. There we go. Come here. Jesus Christ, you're stupid as fuck. Oh, you hot. Fuck. Okay. Let's go here. Do this. Kill this motherfucker. Oh my god. Takes so much to kill him. I don't want to go here. Bitch. Fuck. Okay, well, we have a revolver here. There ain't not much bullets, so it's better this gun. It's not that hard. It's not that good, but it has a lot of bullets. You see? See what I'm talking about? You can't touch me. John Cena. Just kidding. Well, I have no fucking ammo. So I just do this. Hop. Go here. Knock, 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 knock. Boom. Dead. Dead as a motherfucker. Let's go here. I don't wanna go here. Bitch. Bitch, bitch. Bitch. Now, how the fuck do I get up there? Okay, this is a sneaky way out. Grab a knife. Boom, bitch. Grab a knife. What the fuck? Why didn't I? Oh, there was the knife. Oh, bitch. Well, that's fucked up. Bitch and a bitch. Come here. Bitch. There we go. Do this. Get here. And then how do I... Oh, now I know a sneaky way. Grab myself a knife. Boom, bitch. Dead. Get here. Boom. Then get here. Boom. Bitch. You just got wrecked. Oh. Come here. Hello? Is anybody there? Hello? Oh, I think I can kill this big guy with this. Probably. Let's try that. Okay guys, I can't record anymore because Bandicam has only like 10 minutes to record, so that's it. I just want to leave the episode here, so